Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Richard, founder of Short-Term Rental University and Airbnb Superhost. What's on my mind today? Well, I'm taking a dose of my own medicine. So here's the backstory. Charles and I filmed a video not too long ago. It says, revenue beats ready. And the reason I created that video was that constantly in the Facebook group, everyone's waiting to get started, and everyone's waiting to launch, and everyone's waiting to put their listing up, and everyone's waiting for the landscape or the roof or the this, the that, the other. And my whole point in making that video was that revenue, like bringing money in as you're spending money to renovate and fix and acquire and all of that, revenue coming in is so important. It's the lifeblood. So you need to get the revenue, and you'll never be ready. You'll never be 100% ready. There's always improvements that will happen, but that doesn't matter. What I want to encourage everyone to do is just get started. So what am I doing? Well, at my place in Jackson Hole, it was really complex because I had a place in New York City with my kids. I was going back and forth. I needed all my furniture there when I had my kids, so I couldn't send it to Jackson. I was doing renovations, I had rental furniture. It's just this complex web. You don't need to know about it. But what you do need to know about is the fact that I took my own advice and I listed the property using old photos before my renovation with none of my furniture. And I listed it because I said I wasn't quite ready, but I couldn't wait until I was ready. I would miss a lot of my peak season. So I posted it, I went fishing, and guess what? I caught some fish. I have a couple of reservations already, and it was just on the promise that the place was being decorator designed and renovated and new furniture coming, and I'll post the photos when they come in, and people, based on, I guess, my description, the location, maybe my Superhost status, they were confident enough that they were willing to give me a shot. Don't forget, I also priced lower than I will over time, and I used Airbnb's suggestion to lower my price for 20% for the first 3 bookings. So they're getting a good deal. They took a chance. I think they're going to be thrilled. But I want to encourage everyone, don't expect or worry about perfection. Even if you are a perfectionist, this is not the time or the place to do it. Just post it. Get started. Get some money in the door. Get hosting. And just do it. And that's exactly what I did, and I just wanted to share that with you. I posted it in the Facebook group. There was tons of likes and comments, and people were saying, this is what I needed right now. I've been waiting for, like I said, the landscaper, or I was waiting for this furniture to arrive. Don't wait. No more excuses, no more delay. Get started. I hope you found this helpful. Please go ahead and like it. Give me some comments below. Share the love. And if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, take some of my medicine. Get going now.